Hello and welcome to your Weebly Education website creation tutorial. This tutorial will show you how to create a website if you already have a Weebly account. Let's start off by signing in and then choosing the Add Site button. It will then prompt you three choices to create a site, a blog, or a store. In this case, I want to create a site. It will then ask you to choose the theme. Weebly has hundreds of themes to choose from, and you can scroll down and choose one of your liking. Just for time purposes, I'm going to choose the first one that appears in the Weebly list. Next, you will be prompted to choose a subdomain of Weebly. This is what people will type in the URL to search your website. So make it easy for people to remember, but at the same time, make it original. If you see a red X appear, that means that subdomain has already been chosen, meaning someone's already using it. So you have to wait until you see a green check mark so that you can use that subdomain. I'm going to put Teaching with Tech 2015, and now I have a green check mark. I'm going to press continue. Now we can begin editing our website. The first thing is to notice all of the things on the side left-hand scroll bar. These options are for you to add and make your website better. You can add titles, text, photo galleries, just one photo at a time, documents, files, and if you scroll down, you can even add media such as YouTube videos, audio files, and many other things. Some of these features are for paid customers only, but many of them are free for us to use. Let's begin by just editing the site, the theme, and template that we chose. So I'm just going to press on the My Site title and change that to Teaching with Tech 2015. The same goes for everything else on this page. I'm just going to choose it and then change it to what I want. And if you don't want that to be there, simply highlight it and delete it. In this case, I'm just going to work with everything that's already on the page. You can see right below there's a thing called button text. This is actually a button. I'm going to edit this button, which came with the theme, to link to a page on my website. Since this is the home page, I want to make it easy for my users to navigate. I can change the size, but I'm quite content with what's already there. I'm going to link it to a page in my site. Next, I'm going to change the background image that came with the template. I want to choose something from the Weebly gallery so that I know that there's no copyright laws infringement. I can also upload my own image, but for now, I'm going to choose one that came with it. This one seems to work just fine. I can also edit this image to fit better on my page, or make the writing appear less or more on the picture. I can then choose to have it centered, fill, tiled, just like you would the wallpaper on your computer. In this case, I like the fill feature. I can save this to all the pages or just to this page in particular. And since I don't want to change the picture on all the pages to be the same, I'm just going to save it to this page. This is how you would add a title. I simply go over to the menu bar and drag it over and drop it on the web page. And then type whatever it is that you want to type. I've just added another title to that front page. Now, there are three buttons that came with this theme: Home, About, and Contact, but I want to change that. So at the top, there's a button called Pages. This is where you can edit the names of the pages or add more. So I'm going to change the About page. I'm going to change it to Let Me Tell You. You can also change the page layout, but I'm going to leave it the way it is. I'm going to go ahead and add another page. From here, I can do a standard page, a blog page, a store page, or an external link. Here, I'm just going to add several pages. I would like to add a pictures page and a videos page so that my users know where to go to see these tutorial videos. And now you can see that on my front page, those links are now there and are active. If I click on the Let Me Tell You link, the picture is still the same as it was at the beginning. So I'm going to change it to something else, just as I did the first time. There, now it's changed. I'm going to save it just to this page again. And same as before, I'm going to drag and drop some text. Oh, but wait, I should add a title first. No problem. Let's drag that over and on top of the text. Let's put a title. And now let's put in a little bit of information about what we're about. There, now we have a title and some text. Let's go to the pictures page. I want to remove this header. I don't want it there anymore. I could choose different styles if I'd like, but for now, I want to remove it. So I'm going to click No Header. There, now it's gone. I would like to add a gallery to this page so that people can see pictures all at once. So as I drag that over and click on it, I can now upload a gallery of photos from my computer. Let me find some photos that I have on my computer. Here we are, some yo-yo pictures. That's the first one. Now let's click again and we'll upload another one. And then finally, we'll add a third one. That's how easy it is to create a gallery on one of the pages on your website. Let's go to the videos page. The same thing happens here. I'm going to drag the YouTube over from the left-hand scroll bar, and a video will automatically appear. To change that video, we simply have to, once again, press on that YouTube link and then change the URL to what we already have, or a video that you have. I'll include one of my other tutorials, and there it is. So now, on my videos page, my YouTube tutorial has automatically come in, so people can watch it right from that page. Then we'll press Publish, and here it's going to tell us to publish under our domain. And there we go. Our website is published, and it's live at this link. Now you're seeing it as everyone else would see it when they visit that URL. Our pictures are there. And remember that sharing that with everyone is the URL that they have to remember. Click on the right-hand side and go to My Sites, and that brings you back to the original page. You can add another site, delete a site, or even view your site stats. I hope this tutorial helped, and hope you have fun creating your Weebly web pages.